In today's video, I will teach you 2 ways to warp text in GIMP. Let's get started. To manipulate text in GIMP, you can employ 2 primary techniques: rasterizing the text layer and applying distortion filters, or using the text-along path method. First, let's do the rasterizing and distortion filters. To do this, select the Type tool or use the shortcut key T for a quick tool switch. Now, create a text box in the image. You can now customize the text, font, and placement as desired. Now, go to the menu bar, go to Filters, Distort, and here you can find various warp and distortion filters such as Ripple, Spherize, and Whirl and Pinch. Apply the chosen filter to bend your text. Note that the text layer becomes a normal pixel layer after applying the filter, making it non-editable with the text tool. So make sure to customize the text and font before applying the filter. To undo or make changes, you can always use the undo command Ctrl-Z to revert to a state before applying the filter. Now, to use the text-along path method, use the text tool to add text without worrying about the color, as it serves as a template. Switch to the Paths tool, or use the shortcut key B, and draw a path along which you want to distort the text. In the Layers panel, right-click on the text layer, then select Text Along Path. This creates new paths warped along the original curved path. Hide the original text layer by clicking the eye icon in the Layers panel. Now, create a new pixel layer, or simply press the shortcut key Ctrl-Shift-N and set the Fill With option with Transparency. Now, go to the Paths panel, then right-click the new curved path, select Fill Path, and choose a fill option like a solid color. Now, simply click Fill, and the new pixel layer displays your warped text. Reposition it as needed in your image using the Unify Transform tool. In both methods, note that once the text is warped, it becomes uneditable with the text tool. So keep the original text layer for future adjustments if necessary. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.